friends, it's Kimberly Quinn. My mission here is simple: to educate and empower you with tools that can change your life. And today, I've got something amazing for you: Shopify. If you ever thought, I wish I could start my own online store, but it looks too complicated, then this video is made just for you. Why Shopify works. Now, before we start, let me explain why I chose Shopify. It's a beginner-friendly, works on any device, and honestly, it's the platform trusted by millions of entrepreneurs worldwide. I've tried different platforms, and Shopify just makes things smooth. So whether you're selling handmade jewelry, digital products, or even dropshipping, this is your gateway. Step 1, signing up. Okay, let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Big shiny button, Start Free Trial. Click it. Now, type in your email, make a password, and pick your store name. Don't overthink it. I know some of you will spend 3 hours just picking out a name, but trust me, you can change it later. Engagement queue. Tell me in the comments what store name you picked. I'm super curious to see your creativity. Step 2, Shopify's quick questions. After that, Shopify will ask you a few easy questions. Are you already selling? What do you plan to sell? Where are you located? Don't stress. It's just so Shopify sets up your dashboard in the best way for you. Think of it like setting preferences on Netflix, but instead of picking your favorite movies, you're setting up your business journey. Step 3, exploring the dashboard. And now, welcome to your Shopify dashboard. This is your mission control. On the left side, you'll see options: add products, customize store, manage orders, set up payments, apps, analytics. It's all here. At first, it might seem like a lot, but relax. We'll take it one step at a time. Remember, even the biggest stores you admire started with this exact same blank dashboard. Step 4, adding your first product. Let's get your very first product live. Click Add Product. Enter your product title. Make it clear and exciting. For description, don't just say what it is, tell a story. That's what hooks buyers. Set up your price, upload some eye-catching images, and adjust inventory or shipping if needed. Pro tip: lifestyle images. Like your product being used in real life. Sell way better than plain studio photos. Once you're happy, hit save. And congratulations, you just listed your first product. Step 5, customizing your store design. Okay, let's make your store look gorgeous. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Shopify gives you a default theme, but you can explore free and premium themes. Once you've picked one, hit Customize. Now the fun part. You can edit your homepage layout, change colors, adjust fonts, and add sections. Want a banner at the top? Add it. Want testimonials? Boom, done. Think of it like decorating your dream shop, but with no hammer or paint needed, just clicks. And guess what? Your Shopify store is now live. Take a moment to celebrate. You've gone from an idea in your head to a real working business. That's huge. Most people never take that step, but you just did. And that puts you miles ahead. But this is just the beginning. Now it's time to fill your store, share it with the world, and start building your brand. If this tutorial helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell, because I've got more Shopify hacks coming soon. Drop a comment below. What's your first product going to be? I read every single one. And who knows, I might feature your store in my next video.